Welcome back everyone, you're watching, oh my goodness, look at the hair, I've had my hat on, hair. You're watching Crichton Pet Services channel dedicated to dogs and everything that we love about them. I'm Stephen Crichton and you join us on Tuesday afternoon with the more active dogs, the higher energy, the bigger dogs, and we are on our countdown to Christmas. The 10 walks of Christmas this week. We're on walk number 7 now, which is, we're counting down, so yeah, Tuesday afternoon, our 7th last walk of the year, and we've got 7 dogs out, 7 and 7. I will show you the dogs and everything that we get up to on our way around, so stay with us for all the fun. We are in a location which on videos last week was just covered in snow, and now it's all gone. There is hardly a trace of it left, so quite an interesting contrast to what we were used to. It's obviously, with the snow melting, brought out lots of interesting smells and enrichment for the dogs, which they have been loving, so look out for that. And yeah, I'll hand you over to them, but I'll be back at the end just to remind you to subscribe and recap our walk. Until then, here's the pups. Hello boys. Hello sweetie, are you alright? Are you limping? Are you limping? Shit. Lottie's got the smell for something. Lottie. Lottie. Look at that body language. Oh, she's not even turning to acknowledge me. Wow, that made some thud. Very good. Good boy, Big Ellis. Up we go, Ted. Good boy. Up. Here, Pablo. Barney? Right, she coming? Come on, up. Good, you guys. Come on, Ted. Why are you this way? Good. Well done. Right, right. Good girl. Good girl. Thank you. You did a great job getting her back, keeping her away, and you getting in the middle. I got taken out by a Lottie. This. Come on. Good, you guys. Good. Lottie, your diet's been varied enough this week, thank you. You gonna make the jump? You gonna make the jump? Come on. What's over here? Ah, you coward. You coward. Max, Ted, Biscuit. Up here. Up. Up. Biscuit. Oh, look at you three. I see you, Cardi. I see you, buddy. You were good at it. Good boy, Ted. Good boy. Don't get stressed. Don't get stressed. Good, you guys. Good. Yeah. Good, Biscuit. You coming up? Good. Oh, good, you two. Good, bloody. You're right, buddy. Good boy. Lottie? Come on. Here you go. Who's sitting? Who's sitting? Biscuit. Lottie. Biscuit. Come on, buddy. Good boy. Hey. Shh. Did you guys? Guard. Come on, Ted. Good boy. This way, guys. Alright, guys. I'm having to cover up that dreadful hat here. Thank you very much for staying with us right till the end. What a great walk we've had. Pretty much had the place to ourselves as well, which has been pretty nice. And yeah, interesting to see that some of the reservoir is still frozen and a lot of the reservoir is basically empty. I suspect they drained it in advance of the snow to allow all the meltwater to fill it back up, but it does seem suspiciously empty, which is an interesting one on me. But maybe you guys know what's the reason behind it and you can let me know. Dogs have been good, very responsive. We've got a brilliant photo. In fact, can I put a photo here? Is that working? Yeah, that's a nice photo of the dogs in front of the Rangers van, all very well behaved, and a nice way to wrap up our day. So hello Pentland Rangers, and yeah, lovely walk. Thank you very much for staying with us. Tomorrow walks 6 and 5 in the countdown to Christmas, so stay with us, make sure you've subscribed and you won't miss out on those two. Until then, take care, bye bye.